Is there any way to print out text messages? If possible, how to print text messages from iPhone for court? Well, check out this passage to learn the 4 reliable methods to print iPhone messages for trial. Yet, before the printing, do remember to get your printer connected. Part 1. Print text messages from iPhone for court with one click. Mobikin Assistant for iOS makes it as easy as pie. This program lets you preview and take control of every single text message on your computer before printing. And you can even use the search box to locate the specific message. How to print out text messages thread for court on iPhone via Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run the software on a computer. Step 2. Select your desired messages to print. Step 3. Print text messages from iPhone for court. Part 3. Print out text messages for court on iPhone by taking screenshots. After you locate the messages and capture screenshots on your iPhone, you can handle the printable messages with your AirPrint. This works great if you have only a few messages for printing and wish to print off your text. Part 4. Print text messages from iPhone for court free via email. Also, if you just need to print a few texts out, you can try the email method. To do it, you have to copy the messages, email them to yourself, and then print them off by an AirPrint-enabled printer. Part 5. Print text messages for court by contacting your iPhone carrier. Well, any ideas on how to get a printout of text messages on iPhone for court? By contacting your iPhone carrier? Generally, getting a text message from your iPhone carrier can be tricky sometimes.